Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for dropping by. Today, as you can see, I am on concrete carpet. This is roughly where my last video finished, and that's just sorry about the wobble then. Oh, just checking the time. It's 3:15 in the afternoon. Yeah, my last video ended here, looking up at the tower. There's a lift going up in the middle, and that last video was taken during Storm Barra. It's not stormy or windy in this video. You can see there how there is no wind at all, because the giant bender thing is not bending at all. All the huts are still closed right now, so I'm guessing they're just not opening at 3:15. Oh, the starfly's going round, but from the looks of it, it's going round empty. There we can see it's going round. Oh, I don't see anybody on there. It's probably just having a little fly around just to attract folks to come and ride on it. The skating rink's not open at the moment, although it looks like it's opening soon, so I'm guessing it's going to open tea time, early evening. I did show the times the other day, the opening times and everything, but I don't remember what they were, but they are on that other video I've got. You can see here the little Winter Wonderland Christmas tree village. The trees are not back yet. They did take them all away just before Storm Barra, and they've not been put back yet. I don't know if there's more storm due, but yeah, the trees are still not back. All this light tunnel is all railing off, so can't walk down there. The shiny dome is lit up, and we can walk through there. So I think we're going to walk through here. I'm going to take a little walk near North Pier, get some cool footage of the Starlings, because I can see them murmurating around. So yeah, I think it'd be good to get a bit of Starling footage. Now we're going to walk around here, through here. That side isn't fully lit up yet, you can see. But this side here, you can see the tower there, that's a great shot. So let's head on to the pier and take a look at the Starlings. Got the beach house cafe there. Oh, and they are apparently recruiting now. Behind the beach house you can see the wedding chapel building. Turning on around here we can see the sea's in. It's not particularly rough or angry or deep, but it's definitely not a calm sea. A little look, I've got a lovely view of North Pier and the high tide. So come on now, let's head on near North Pier where we can get a look at the Starlings. I could probably zoom in from here, but I do want to get a little bit closer. Oh, that's the wedding chapel there, balcony there. Top window. And we have a load of toilets on the side here of the prom. Now, do these toilets qualify as underground toilets or not? Because technically you can walk over them, so that would make them underground, but also you can walk past the doors that are not underground, you don't have to walk down any steps. So are these underground toilets or not? I'm going to go with no. Anyway, I think now this will be an excellent spot to film some Starlings. I'm gonna leave my camera on here. Just put it down on there maybe. What if I zoomed in? Oh, it's gonna be a little bit at an angle. Well, there they are. They're not doing much, they're just chilling. Across from here, there is some movement. There's a few more there. Let's come out again a little bit. Maybe hold the camera a little bit higher. Once I take it off that stone, it's going to be a little less steady. It's like they knew I was coming and they've all decided to start keeping still. Oh, there they go. It's amazing how they all know where to fly. If I was a starling, I'd probably just fly into the other starlings and they'd all be saying, like, goodness sake, what are you doing? I have a terrible sense of direction and I have no rhythm. Yeah. That is a nice little look at the Starlings. Here, on the sea. We'll see, if we come up the top here, you can just walk past the front of the pier and get a little look at Talbot Square and around there. So come on, let's head up here. All the scaffolding's gone now from what is now called Four Shores Hotel. So we can take a good look at that. We've got Yates's next door. That is the old Feldman's Arcade building. Feldman's Arcade, way before my time obviously, but that's what it says there. Very pretty stonework there. Let's take a look at this hotel. That looking good from that side. You can cross here. No trams coming either way. And the tram tracks that continue up Talbot Road, they now have their overhead wires. They've been there a while actually, they're not like brand new today. I've seen them in the last couple of weeks or so, but I haven't really had the chance to film everything properly. I'm going to have to wait till these lights change, folks, because there are no buttons to press. So, just wait till there's a gap in the traffic, or until the lights change, whichever happens first. Oh, this'll do. Quick. Let's run across there before everything changes. There we go, we're across. Let's get across this little road. This bit is easy to film from because of all these concrete blocks here. I can just turn my back to the prom and I know that nothing is going to drive up behind me. If we look up here, we can see that the overhead wiring is there. Take a look at that. And that wiring now continues all the way up Talbot Road and all the way into what will be the new tram stop. There's the front of Foreshores Hotel. Ground floor through there still needs some serious work doing. There's still work going on down there. You can see that there's lights on the side there, on the inside. They look like workmen's lights. And we can see there at the inside still needs work. But anyway, I'm going to turn the camera around here, get a lovely view of the counting house. That really is a lovely looking building. There's the new Premier Inn Hotel, and now with the camera facing up Talbot Road towards the new Wilco's, well, not the new Wilco's, the new hotel and the new tram stop on the old Wilco site. This is where I am going to say goodbye. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Please, please, please hit the like button. Maybe hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Maybe even watch another video of mine or so, but only if you really want to. And anyway, I will see you all very soon in the next one. Goodbye.